Muddy toy car wash. Wow, look, everyone, there's a bunch of muddy toys. Rainbow color, that looks cool. It comes in pink. Yellow color. Green color. Wow, there's a pink one. We'll wash everything clean. Let's put all the muddy toys here. It has 2 wheels and is green. Wow, so cute, orange. There's another 2-wheeler, yellow. It's brown and large. This one is pink, it's so cool. This seems unique. Yellow color. Wow, there's a 4-legged one, cool. Cute pink color. It has 4 legs, what else is this? This is the last toy. All the toys have been collected. It's time for us to find clean water. There is already clean water. Let's wash these toys. There are brown ones, everyone. First, the brown one, what is this? Wow, black ATV. Sand truck. Green color. Excavator truck. Green color. Harley Davidson. Yellow color. Motor trial. Pink color. Wow, a rabbit. Orange color. Wow, a bear. Brown color. Wow, a cow.
Move along, girls.
Yellow color. a crocodile. And finally, there's Orange. Wow, a horse! We've watched everything. Thank you for watching.